for lorry owners, this month is likely to be a slightly weak business month. In major truck clusters, many drivers travel back to their hometowns to vote. Whenever large trucks slow down, the smaller vehicle segment becomes more active. But right now, rates in the South Tamil Nadu region are still staying very low. Even if loads are available, the number of trucks running comes down. Before we talk about the April forecast, the election result would already have been announced. First of all, congratulations to TVK. But for lorry owners, this month is likely to be a slightly weak business month. Why am I saying this? The biggest impact during election time is driver availability. We are going to discuss all these aspects in this video, so don't skip it. Please watch it till the end. Across Tamil Nadu and other states, especially in major truck clusters like Namakkal and Sangagiri, many drivers travel back to their hometowns to vote. So even if loads are available, the number of trucks running comes down. Not just this, construction related loads have also slowed down immediately. This slowdown can continue throughout the May, I predict. Whenever large trucks slow down, the smaller vehicle segment becomes more active. Pickups, LCVs and mini trucks usually run faster during this period. On top of that, campaign material transport, flex boards, banners and local movement trips have also increased. Normally, if there is a truck shortage, freight rates should increase. But right now, rates in the South Tamil Nadu region are still staying very low. If we look at the freight rates, you will understand better. First route is Chennai to Bangalore. Round trip is 700 kilometers. Month starting it was 54,000. Month end it is 43,700. Next route is Chennai to Hyderabad. Round trip is 1,300 kilometers. Month starting it was 83,000. Month end it came around 70,600. Next route is Chennai to Bhivandi. Round trip is 2,700 kilometers. Month starting it was 1,47,300. Month end it is 1,30,400. Next route is Chennai to Kolkata. Round trip is 3,352 kilometers. Month starting it was 1,65,000. Month end it was 1,46,450. Next route is Bangalore to Hyderabad. Round trip is 1,150 kilometers. Month starting it was 82,000. Month end it was 66,800. Next route is Bangalore to Pune. Round trip is 1,710 kilometers. Month starting it was 90,300. Month end it was 81,550. Next route is Bangalore to Kolkata. Round trip is 4,218 kilometers. Month starting it was 1,81,000. Month end it was 1,57,100. Next route is Bangalore to Cochin. Round trip is 1,068 kilometers. Month starting it was 65,000. Month end it was 55,700. Next route is Bangalore to Vijayawada. Round trip is 1,296 kilometers. Month starting it was 76,000. Month end it was 72,200. Next route is Bangalore to Visakhapatnam. Round trip is 2,032 kilometers. Month starting it was 1,20,000. Month end it was 1,03,450. Next route is Bhivandi to Pune. Round trip is 328 kilometers. Month starting it was 49,900. Month end it was 37,600. Next route is Bhivandi to Gurgaon. Round trip is 2,658 kilometers. Month starting it was 1,48,000. Month end it was 1,30,000. Next route is Bhivandi to Coimbatore. Round trip is 2,492 kilometers. Month starting it was 1,52,000. Month end it was 1,21,200. Next route is Bhivandi to Bangalore. Round trip is 2,006 kilometers. Month starting it was 1,16,000. Month end it was 1,01,000. Next route is Bhivandi to Kolkata. Round trip is 3,718 kilometers. Month starting it was 1,98,000. Month end it was 1,55,450. Next route is Bhivandi to Ambala. Round trip is 3,136 kilometers. Month starting it was 1,73,000. Month end it was 1,46,000. Next route is Kolkata to Coimbatore. Round trip is 4,248 kilometers. Month starting it was 1,86,000. Month end it was 1,63,400. Next route is Kolkata to Siliguri. Round trip is 1,178 kilometers. Month starting it was 85,000. Month end it was 66,600. Next route is Coimbatore to Hyderabad. Round trip was 1,912 kilometers. Month starting it was 99,000. Month end it is 88,100. Next route is Coimbatore to Chennai. Round trip is 1020 kilometers. Month starting it was 58,000. Month end it was 47,000. Next route is Coimbatore to Bangalore. Round trip is 698 kilometers. Month starting it was 48,000. Month end it was 39,600. Next route is Coimbatore to Tirunelveli. Round trip is 712 kilometers. Month starting it was 38,000. Month end it was 40,200. Now the election is over. Not only that, construction projects that were kept on hold during the election period will start restarting. Because of that, there could be a sudden increase in truck requirements, especially for cement, steel and M-stand movement. You can expect. Similarly, factories will begin clearing their pending dispatch backlogs. Goods that were delayed due to election uncertainty will now also start moving into the market. Driver availability will also return to normal. Once drivers who had gone back to their hometowns return, fleet utilization is likely to increase. In short term, what could happen is there may be a temporary demand spike along with freight rate corrections for a few days, but in long term, the market is expected to stabilize and rates may normalize again. Share your thoughts in the comment section how your business was last month. Let me know. Thank you for watching.